Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepak, and I am here today to present on topic Homely Hub. I appreciate you taking the time to join me, and I am studying third semester computer science, IoT, and CSBT, which is basically Internet of Things and cybersecurity with blockchain technology at East Point College of Engineering and Technology, Bangalore. Today I am going to explain the project Homely Hub. This is the logo of the project which we have created, and I have given a simple title or a bold line for the Homely Hub, like simple smart Homely Hub. So let us know the campaign goals of the Homely Hub. Homely Hub finds you perfect stay with Homely Hub. The project Homely Hub aims to provide a seamless and modern alternative to traditional accommodation. With its user-friendly interface and top-notch amenities, it promises an unparalleled experiences for both host and guest. Here we can book a room or we can accommodate a room for the travelers and etc. Let us know the overview of the project. Platform description. Homely Hub emerges as a beacon of convenience and comfort in the blasting world of travel and accommodation. This web application specializes in renting vacation homes, offering a seamless bridge between those looking for a cozy personal space during their travels and homeowners eager to share their haven with guests. With an intuitive interface, user can effortlessly browse through a vast selection of properties ranging from quaint cottages listed in landscape to luxurious apartments in the heart of vibrant cities. Each listing is equipped with detailed description, high quality photos, and review from past guests, ensuring potential renters can make informed decision tailored to their performance. Behind just a booking platform, Homely Hub aims to enrich the travel experience by fostering a sense of belonging and connection, turning every trip into a memorable journey. Whether it is an spontaneous weekend getaway or a long anticipated family vacation, Homely Hub stands as a trusted partner in finding the perfect home away from home. So let us know some brief about full stack web development and MERN stack. Full stack web development refers to the comprehensive process of developing both the front end client side and the back end server side portion of web application. These approaches requires a wide range of skills from understanding user interface, design, and user experience, UI and UX, principles to mastering database and server architecture. A full stack developer proficient in both the visual aspect of web design and the coding and technical aspect that make web application function effectively. One popular technology stack for web stack development is MERN stack, which stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. This stack combines a document-oriented database, MongoDB, and with three JavaScript-based technology, that is Express.js for backend web application framework, and React.js for building user interface, and Node.js for scalable server-side code. The MERN stack is appreciated for its efficiency and flexibility, allowing developers to build robust, scalable web application with a single programming language, that is JavaScript, across the entire development stack. This coherence simplifies the development process and enables rapid application development with a seamless integration between the client and the server side. So in this website, we are using MERN, which is basically MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. So about Homely Hub, conclusion is Homely Hub has the potential to disrupt the accommodation industry with its innovation approach. It could offer travelers more diverse and personalized stay option while empowering hosts to easily manage their listing. This project demonstrates the power of technology to enhance travel experience. So I am thanking to the Webstack Academy who have given the opportunity to learn the month and to develop a homely hub project. And I'm thanking to the sir and the ma'am who have helped us to learn the monster. So let me explain the project. This is the website where we have created home layer. So this is the localhost 3000. It is basically a URL for the React.js. When we start the project, it it goes to the localhost 3000. This is the logo, which when we click the logo, it comes to the home page, which I will explain later. And this is the search bar where we can search the destination like Goa, Delhi, Bangalore, etc. And here we can select the dates from which date we need the rooms, like 6th to 12th. This is for example, and we can add here number of guests. And this is the search icon which we can search is any place available. So in this is showing for 12 guests. These two places are available, and this is a filter which I will explain later. So when we click the home icon, logo icon, it goes to the home page, and we have total number 12 in the front page. And when we click this next page, it comes the left outs, which is 4. And when we create this profile icon, it comes to the login page where we can use our email ID and password to log in, or we can select new user. And this is the footer of the website, which is basically written as all rights reserved, privacy terms, site map, company details, and the currency is in the Indian rupees. So let us now create a new profile using new user. So here they are asking for register. Let me give the name as Deepak and email ID test1234 at the rate gmail.com and the password which is um, test123. Here we have to write the password again to confirm it. So here we can see it, the password, and we have to enter our mobile number, and by clicking on register we can create a profile. So see here, user logged in successfully. We have created a profile and it is showing user has been successfully logged in. So when we click on the profile, we can see here two options, my account and logout. So let us see first logout button. When we click on logout, it shows user has been logged out successfully. So the logout function is working perfect. So when we click on the profile, same it is asking for email and password. So let me log in again using the previous email, which is test1234 at the rate gmail.com, and I have created password as test123. So once we click on login, it is saying user has logged successfully. So we have logged in successfully. By clicking on profile, going to my accounts, here we can see full name of the user, email of the user, and the phone number. Here is the avatar. So, so when we click the edit profile, it goes to update profile. Here we can change the name of the user. Like I will give the username as test1 and mobile number as some example number. And we can select an author which should be less than 20 KB. Here we have written that, and by clicking on this, we can select an avatar. So I'm selecting this avatar and just click by clicking open, it will get here which we have selected. So when we click on update, here it is showing pop-up as profile updated successfully. And here the name has been changed and the mobile number has been changed, and even the avatar which was previously, now it became changed. So next we will go to the home page, which is basically our index page. So if we search anything by location like MUNNAR, Munar, and if I search, it gets Munar Farmhouse. Whatever place we search here, it shows here. By clicking on the logo, we can go to the index page. So like I will select Goa, and the date between 6 to 12, and number of guests are 4. So when I click on search, it gives me two properties which are available and I can book it. So this is the use of the nav bar, and then this is the filter where we can select and filters. Like if I go again to the home page, so when we click on the filter, So here we can select the price range between 1000 to 10,000. So here we can select property type house, flat, guest house, hotel, and here we can search, we can select room type like entire room any type. Let me select room, and here are the amenities where we can select, like I will select TV. If I apply the filter, it shows property which is at Manali. So it matches with exact location. Like amenity, we have selected TV and it shows the room type as room. And here we can select guest room. So let's see for guest room. Let me first clear it. Let me cancel it. If I go to the home page and let me select it again with cleared option. So let me select the price range between 2000 to 8000. So let me just apply for it. So it is showing almost 15 properties, which is matching my price range. So filter means filter is nothing but it will help us to filter the options which we are available. So let's see the booking process. So when we click on any one of the property, like I'm selecting Muna Farmhouse. So when I click on Muna Farmhouse, it gives me some images and the location of where it is located and the description of the house. And it says the maximum number of guests are 8. So it means the number of guests should be less than 8 or equal to 8, but not the greater than. And what this place offers, which means the amenities. And below it, we have location where you will be. So by clicking on this, we can book, we can see the location of the room. And here are some extra infos we can write. So this is the booking form, which is basically below the pictures. And here we have some extra pictures. When we click it, it gives some extra pictures with the high quality. And let me cancel it. So it says that 2800 rupees per night. So let us book now. Before booking, we should check whether we have registered or not. So I have registered and it is showing my account and logout. So it means I have registered. So like when I click on this, let me select the date between 6, no, 6 to 11, yeah. So number of guests, it is 8. If I enter 9 and it says value must be less than or equal to 8, which means the number of guests are 8. It should not exceed it. So let me select as 7. So let me write full name as Deepak and mobile number. If I click on book this place, it says it goes to the payment method, which is basically we are using Stripe payment method. Like the common and basic number which we use it is 424242, and like we can give any expiry date of the card and any CVV number. So once we click on the pay, after waiting for some seconds, it says that we have booked Munnar Farmhouse for 4 nights from 6/4/2024 to 10/4/2024. So when we click on the booking, we can see here our booking information and total price which we have booked. So let me go it once show it again by clicking on home page. When we click on our avatar, we should select my account, and here when we click on my bookings, here we can see that there is a Muna farmhouse which we have booked. And then let me select my accommodation. My accommodation is nothing but we can add our place, and we can display, and we can rent our place to the travelers. So after completing this, we will go profile section and we will click on the logout option. So here they have written user has been logged out successfully, which means we have logged out. And by clicking on the profile again, here we are having email and password. So if we have forgotten the password, when we click on the forget password, we should enter the email ID which we have given for the registration. So once we write the email ID and click on the send email, it says email sent, please check your inbox. So here we have used mail tab to get an emails. So here just it came a few seconds ago. So when we open the email, it says forget your password, submit a patch request with your new password and confirm password. Click on the button to reset the password. When I click the password, it says enter new password. So let me write a new password as test123 and confirm it. And when I click on the set password, it says password has been changed successfully. Now let me try to log in with the old password. It says login is unsuccessfully, which means it is not accepting. So using mail trap, we can send an emails like it is a platform where we can use it for mail trap. So for the platform for payment, we are using stripe.com. It helps for the payment. So on the payment section, here we can see that we have booked an room for 14,000, which says payment for testing, and it says yet it is incomplete. So when we just go to our website, and when we log in with our password, and when we select the farmhouse, and when we select the date which we required, and the number of guests, and the full name with mobile number, and book this place. And when we enter the card number, and when we click on the card CVV and just click on the pay, it says that I have booked for 19,600. And here we can see that all transactions 19,600. So when I just clicked on Muna Farmos for the first time, 6 to 10, so it was 11,200, which is basically here. And one more, which is which I done it is 19,600, which is here. So it shows payment as incomplete. So next, so here we are using Cloudinary. So what is Cloudinary? Cloud-based service specializing in image and video management. Handles all your media needs like upload, storage, optimization, transformation, and delivery. Cloudinary.com is seamlessly uploaded images and videos from various uses, powerful transformation, optimized delivery, developer friendly, optimized media loading speed, enhance user experience. So here, Cloudinary platform we are using for the avatar to store our avatar, which we have created by using the API keys of the Cloudinary.